first one of the day. A rather filthy Triumph Speed Twin. This is a new client. This is his daily commuter, 20,000+ miles on it. He is getting ready to trade it in, so I thought he would get it trotted beforehand, as she is looking pretty sad for herself. Got lots of rust on bits and pieces. It's a shame it hasn't been properly protected from new. Like I said, this is his workhorse, so we're going to do one of our legendary full Monty valets on this. We'll touch up some rusty nuts and bolts, see if we can paint a few bits on these engine covers, and then we're going to crack on with some polishing. We're going to do a single stage machine polish on all this bodywork, just get it looking like it should. We'll get all these exhausts minted up, and then we'll get some XCP corrosion protection on it, so at least whoever buys it next will have some proper protection. We will see if we can polish all these bits up. They look terrible, really poor quality. Anyways, let's enough of my jibber jabber. Let's work a bit of trot magic. Wish me luck. It's going to take a few hours. All right, 2 hours in, still cracking on with this Triumph. It had quite a bit of corrosion on it, so we're on the final stages now. It's all been XCP, just got to polish up those exhausts, and then we'll get that paintwork all polished up. There you go, 3 hours. This Triumph Speed Twin has been fully trotted and looking pretty freaking sweet. I managed to get all that corrosion off all these badges, all been polished up, polished up all the exhaust. Everything's had a bit of XCP corrosion protection on it, all your tips of your exhaust. This was quite well weathered, but looking much better now. I just did a 2-stage polish on that tank windscreen. Looking so much better. Don't forget, we're open 6 days a week. We do a satisfaction guaranteed service. Give us a buzz, 07966 249 963.